Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katy, aka Tattooedmomma. If you are new here, welcome. Don't mind the Christmas wrapping paper in the background. I'm about to wrap some gifts, and I just recently took my computer off this area, so I'm still organizing that a bit. It's always changing around in here, but I will be having a makeup room tour up in a few weeks, because I promised you guys that, and it's about dang time. Anyway, this video is about this ginormous box right here, the Makeup Obsession Don't Count Me Out box. So if you're curious to see what's in here, then just keep watching. So I have been wanting to try out Makeup Obsession for quite some time. I have a few things that I've tried from them. And I really do like it. So before I rip this, I'm going to show you guys what the outside looks like. I love it looks like a pink angel wing, and it is like that design on the back on this side as well. And then obviously the front says don't count me out, and it kind of shows you everything that you get. But I'm going to go ahead and rip this open. But this is a great way to, in my opinion, to test out Makeup Revolution products, and I just thought it was a really good deal. I apologize, but the lighting is kind of not the best right now. One thing I am working on, so bear with me. Let me actually fix that curtain real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, not sure if that did anything, but whatever. Okay, so here is what the box looks like. It's very big. It's like a big shoe box. And I love the baby pink of it. Holy crap. Get a lot of stuff in here. So this is the front part. Obviously it says Makeup Obsession. This is what the inside looks like. It's nuts. Okay, let's pull this open. Okay. It says Illuminating Setting Spray. I'm so excited to try this out. I'm just going to open it from the box and then just chuck the box. I will be using these. Yes. I have the Makeup Obsession Moon Glow Setting Spray. This is the one it came with. This is the one I've already purchased, and you can see how much I've used of it. I love it. This one has, you can see the little stuff on bottom. So once you shake it, it kind of gets rid of that, and it has the very pretty, shimmer. I'll show you guys an up close of that some other time, but it is one of my favorite illuminating setting sprays. This one, looks like it has some gold shimmer to it. So I look forward to trying this out for sure. I'm kind of curious of how it compares to that one. I will use some of these products in an upcoming chit chat, get ready with me using new products. This is the Liquid Eyeshadow Duo. Like I said, I kind of forgot what came in this box, so I'm looking forward to see what comes in here. Oh yes. Okay. I am very excited for these. So there's a pink and then a silver. So pretty. The pink I know is not one that I really I would wear too much of, so I am going to have a giveaway. I'm going to be putting this in an Instagram giveaway that I'll be doing very, very soon. So be sure you subscribe to me, like this video, hit that thumbs up button, and stay tuned because I will be having a giveaway with that in it very, very soon. But this is the liquid eyeshadow, obviously, in silver. I'm going to keep this one. This just looks, it's not really too opaque, but it looks like it would be really pretty over a matte eyeshadow, or just kind of worn on its own. So we'll see how I like that. So far it's not looking like the best of the best, but it looks pretty. Okay, next is a Illuminating Primer, and I don't think I've tried any of their primers before. I'm looking in my primer section in front of me, and I don't see any Makeup Revolution primers. Not Makeup. I'm probably gonna keep saying Makeup Revolution. Makeup Obsession. Ooh, and I just love their packaging. So I would definitely wear an illuminating primer, something like this, when I wear a matte foundation. So I look forward to trying that out. This is a brush set. Let's see what's in here. A lot of the time when it comes with brush sets, like things... Ooh, see, these are actually ones I'll use. They just come with brushes that I just don't really... I can't really use. I love how it says Makeup Obsession on it. And these are for sure brushes that I would use. And this color is just freaking cute. Those are going in my makeup brush set right away. We're going to check it over there. Next up is some brow gel. Again, I haven't tried any of their brow gel, and I just love their packaging so much. Is this a clear brow gel? It is. I like how little the swirly is on there, and this girl always needs a brow gel because my brows like to fly everywhere. So, love that. This box is really great so far. I'm going to pull out, this was just like a little divider thing they had in the box. Next are some palettes. This is the Bougie eyeshadow palette. I think I just ordered actually a few, or one of their eyeshadow palettes. Oh my gosh, the outside packaging of this is adorable. I kind of forgot what the insides look like. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, I like this a lot. That is a cute palette. Ooh. Okay, now you can hardly see that. Let me like, I will do separate, okay, maybe not. This formula is a little different. I'm going to keep these and do a separate video on all the palettes that I get. I will do a swatch video and probably an eye makeup look with every single one of them, if that's something that you guys want to see. That color was really pretty on the finger, but with swatching it didn't really turn out too great. But again, you shouldn't really judge colors like that with them swatching because sometimes they look better on your eyes. So I'm excited for that one. Again, the outside packaging is just super cute. I like how small, like, and I like, if I have an eyeshadow palette, I like when it's like this size. This is Glossy Vibes. Yes! Okay, I'm really hoping these do good. Look how, first off, that packaging, I love. It's like a pink silk kind of looking thing. And then this is the colors. I love that purple right there. Looks gorgeous. The other shades, super pretty. I love how it comes with some mattes and some like shimmers in it. I'm excited to do some swatch videos on that for sure. Next is a Hot and Bothered blush palette. This one is, I think, one that actually caught my eye. Again, packaging so darn cute. Ooh. I just don't really understand how this is supposed to be blush. Maybe this didn't catch my eye. These just are so deep. Like super, super deep. I feel like this would be great as maybe an eyeshadow palette. The blush is gorgeous, don't get me wrong. I'm not going to swatch this because this will be one of those things that are in the, that's in the giveaway. Obviously I threw the pack, but I obviously didn't touch any of that. So this is going to be in my Instagram giveaway. So next up is I was like, that looks like it moved over. A lip gloss trio. And your girl loves some lip gloss. So let's see what's in here. There is the lip gloss. It just, does it have a color name to it? These don't have any color names. But here's what they look like. Very, very pretty. I'm not one to really wear gloss that is, see how it smells. I don't know, I'm not one to really wear a gloss that's like a deep kind of color like that. So I'm more of like clear shimmered ones like this. So I'm going to keep this one. I'm going to stick these two in the giveaway. That Instagram giveaway, like I said, is going to be a really big giveaway, so you guys go follow me on there. It's linked down below. It's my makeup one. It's Katy M. James. Next up is a Scrunchie Set, which I will most likely throw into, yep, I'm going to throw this into the giveaway as well. They're super cute, but this girl has enough scrunchies. Oh. Well, that one just broke. So that kind of sucks. Making sure that these don't. Well, you'll be getting the black and the white one. That sucks. Those were like poorly made, I feel like. This is a highlighter, I'm guessing. Well, I'm not guessing. It says highlighter on there. And this is kind of another one. This is this one I'm not too excited about. It's kind of a bit orangey, and I don't really wear highlighters like that. So I'll stick that to the giveaway. We have one more thing, the Shimmer Vibes eyeshadow palette, which I don't know what this one looks like, but I'm kind of excited for it. Again, the packaging is so gorgeous. Let's see. Shimmer Vibes shadow palette. How is it supposed to be shimmer? I don't understand that name. Did they do the wrong colors or something? I'm not sure. But these colors are stunning. I love me a good, like, burnt orange. But I have so many. Like, I have stuff like this in my collection already. This palette doesn't really scream my name. So, I don't know. I might put this in the giveaway. I might not. We shall see. Anyway, what did I think about this box? I kind of forgot how much I paid for it, but I really do think that it's worth how much I paid for because I am extremely excited about these two palettes right here. The setting spray I'm excited about, the brow gel I'm excited about, the primer I'm excited about, and the lip gloss I'm excited about. Plus, I got a handful of things to stick in the giveaway that I'm doing for you guys. Also, I get this really awesome box that I can store some of my makeup in. So, what did you guys think? Obviously, I've already put the price up on the screen so you guys actually know. I'm not sure if this is still going on or not. If it is, I will link it down below for you guys. But I do have a giveaway going on right now. Definitely go check that out if you guys haven't. I will post it at the end of this video for like video request. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Have a great day.